Cell wall and nucleus.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Dear students, we are going to learn about cell wall and nucleus. Let's start with cell wall. As animal cell has outer covering called plasma membrane, plant cell also has outer covering called cell wall. Cell wall appears as a protective covering to the plasma membrane in plant cell.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
It is composed of cellulose, which makes plant rigid. A cell wall is completely permeable membrane for large molecules like proteins, lipids, nucleic acids, etc. Plasmolysis. When a plant cell is placed in hypertonic solution, that is, concentrated solution, osmosis occurs in the cell. Due to osmosis, content within the cell shrink away from the cell wall. Such a process is called as plasmolysis. Upcoming activity shows process of plasmolysis. Nucleus. Nucleus is covered with double layer membrane called as nuclear membrane. It contains pores which allow the transport of material outside the nucleus. Nucleus contains rod-shaped structures called chromosomes. Chromosomes contain highly condensed structure called deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA, and proteins. Interesting fact to know about DNA is that if DNA is straightened along the line, its length will be approximately 2 meters long. Also, DNA is responsible for passing the properties from parents to children. The functional segments of DNA is called as genes. In case when cell is not divisible, DNA is present in the form of chromatin. When cell is ready to divide, chromatin forms chromosome. Nucleus plays an important role in the process of reproduction, in which a single cell divides and redivides to form complex bodies.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Have a look on upcoming activity. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. Organisms in which nuclear membrane is absent are called as prokaryotic organisms or prokaryotes. Example: E. coli, Streptococcus, Streptomyces soil bacteria, etc. Organisms in which nuclear membrane is present are called as eukaryotic organisms or eukaryotes. Fungi, plants, animals are some examples of eukaryotes. That's all with the cell wall and nucleus. Watch upcoming videos to learn more about cell organelles.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.